Hi to every one of you. Okay. Actually, ang pagalaw break mana lak kabini ba ese bunga sa. Mana han ba break la reason no. Okay, break la ni pragi the reason no. Any mental issue is a problem mentally. Okay, mentally issue man. Like depressed overthinker rather one. Okay, that's the reason can YouTube we man. And one more thing. Okay, like main thing is yang YouTube mana yang mana pago eba YouTube mana video gua fit. Pindu kena frase. Okay, the reason is that ki YouTube sini boroni YouTubers to down. Okay, it's the same content. Like repeated jagas. That's the reason. Are misalnya ada ki mana just kalam I don't think your support man kan. Jabwt ini viral ni bagi bunga eba repeated content lah bunga. Okay, and now on ki people are shifting to vlogging, right? That's the reason कि हम then keep mainstream on our channel channel को लिखना है कि दाने ना अंगन इको है निश्चित कंटेंट है सही है man by in future जाइए बा success जाइए बा definitely use it okay and I play ni खाला में दाने bad boost to YouTube है जैसे important की जरूरत खाला में नानी like for example podcast ni बाकी है something one and but podcast ni main issue अभी ना कि like जिन equipment बारा है नहीं ang jung la answer equipment baragi ya no hai and by the way supportive baranga that's the reason ya podcast la perfect ang ponte khamam nang but ang la ba se dai okay podcast wa dai disclose kalam bai mane la ba kai and which grab monan se boy ki ang YouTube vegan video but puro platform video vegan I'm sorry manava important about bisa amba ki like serious of the topic okay and by definition figured serious topic pass but if it's not serious style will come okay and same content level and this is it ever same we can be viral jane survive but that thing like contradict up in by bidigung labness okay but jebla high serious issues are definitely vegan and I'll always be there okay but that's not like maximum and mangsi active like Instagram or mangsi active to on so if you don't mind, do follow me. I'm link it out. Okay, do follow me please. Okay. And I'm beginning to work like asa kalama taya quick ba YouTube right. Okay, quick in ba. Definitely with something very new or the community of something new. I know this like a video but I might know view because my channel is dead right now. But Jason Nugan. Definitely asa kalama you would like this new concept okay and then mau try kam sa kalama sendai hai so listen to say yeah and love you all yeah peace out please hope kalam ki like I'm happy like mind fresh so that I can make video for you guys okay and listen to video ban hai listen to